What can we do physically to prevent dark circles around the eyes? Well, the muscles that we can use here are the upper eyelid, lower, upper cheek, middle cheek, and lower cheek. And remember also we want to take a full breath, create a lot of neural current, harmonize with that focus, and then send it to the area as we move the muscle group. That neural current and muscular contraction will stimulate the tissues around potential areas where dark circles can happen. Inhale, breathe through the spine, lightly place, lift, and lightly assist. Full inhale, full lift. And exhale, soften the muscle and assist with the finger. Inhale, place, lift. Exhale, soften the finger, soften the muscle. Lightly place the pinky finger, lower center eyelid. Inhale. The breath moves through the eye, lightly lift and assist. Exhale, soften the eyebrow and lightly soften with the finger. Lift the breath and the finger, outer lower eyelid. Lightly press. Inhale, breathe. Lift and assist. Full breath, full lift, and exhale. Inhale, press, lift and assist. Full breath, full lift, exhale, soften. Breath goes into tailbone. Flow with the breath. Inhale. Lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Using the small fingers, gently place on the muscle. Elbows wide, soften the shoulders, straight spine. Inhale, lift, lightly assist. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift the eyelid and the finger, using the muscle of the eyelid. As you exhale, soften. Inhale, lift the eyelid and the finger, using the muscle of the eyelid. As you exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, open. Exhale, press and close the eyelid. Inhale, open. Exhale, press and close the eyelid. Left pinky, closed eyebrow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, pull the finger down with the eyebrow. Inhale, lift the finger with the muscle of the eyelid. Exhale, close. Inhale, lift. Exhale, close. Inhale, lift. Exhale, close. Pointer finger and thumb lightly pinch and roll. Moving with the breath. Inhale, grab, lightly roll, release. Inhale, grab, lightly roll, release. Inhale, grab, lightly roll, release. Inhale, grab, and roll. Exhale, release. Inhale, grab, roll. Exhale, release. Inhale, grab, roll. Exhale, release. Inhale, grab, roll. Exhale, release. Inhale, grab and roll. Exhale, release. Inhale, grab, roll. Exhale, release. Inhale, look up. Soften the eyebrows, soften the forehead. One breath. Exhale, center. Inhale to your right. Exhale, center. Relax the face. Inhale, down. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, up. And reverse directions. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center and soften. Inhale, down. Exhale, center and soften. Inhale, right. Exhale, center and soften. Inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly roll the eyes with the breath to the right. Finish the exhale, gazing down. Inhale to your left. Follow the breath. Full inhale, full look up. Exhale, opposite direction. Roll to the left on the exhale. Finish the exhale, look down. Inhale, roll up to the right. Full inhale, full look up. Soften the eyebrows and the forehead. And exhale, center. Looking at yourself in the mirror, center your gaze in between the eyes. Lock the muscles. No movement of the eyes. As you inhale, move your attention to the top of your head. As you exhale, attune back to the center, centering with the eyes. Inhale. Attune to the right side of the face. Keep the eyes locked forward. Exhale, back to the center. Inhale, tune to the chin. Exhale, back to the center. Inhale, tune to your left ear. Exhale, center. And then back to the top. Inhale, just move your attention. And exhale, back to the center. Check in with nearby muscle groups, lower eyelid, eyebrow, ear, and upper cheek. Inhale, press, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with the surrounding muscles, lower eyelid, brow, ear, upper cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles, brow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with the surrounding muscles, brow, ear, lower eyelid, upper cheek. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles, brow, lower eyelid, ear, upper cheek, and middle cheek. Inhale, press and lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles, brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles, brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with nearby muscles, brow, eyelid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Upper, middle, lower. Coordinating with the breath. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, plant the fingers on the neck. As you inhale, lift the fingers lightly across the skin. Exhale, softly down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, pointed fingers on the inside, lightly press against the bone. As you inhale, roll the fingers across the brow to the temple. As you exhale, back to the center. Add another finger. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And then go for the whole face. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Large inhale, wave through the spine. So we breathe from the tailbone to the chest. Lift the wave of breath through the neck, through the face, activating the nerves in the face, through the eyes, forehead, top of the head. And as you exhale, visualize the muscles relaxing in the forehead, the brows, the face, light smile on the lips, soften the jaw, neck muscles, shoulder, chest, and follow the breath into the tailbone. Ending with symmetric eyebrows, light smile,